And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. And today's video, by the way, my name is Philine. Today's video will be unboxing. So it's been a long time I have not unboxed. Okay, as you can see. And without further ado, it's always good to know when to shop, where to shop, and how to shop, because shopping is an art. Yay! By the way, so I'm wearing my very own creation, pearls, necklace, and 9 West long sleeve. Okay, so we are going to unbox this um, stuff from Dillard's, and it's really exciting because, disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. This is just um, to show you where I get my stuff, and I had this good deals from Dillard's, and I'm also selling this. You can see this in my Mercari. By the time this video is going to be published, probably this is already in Mercari. Some of it are going to be sold. Oops. Okay, the receipt. Put it down. And voila! So we have a belt, which is Antonio Milani. This is size medium. Okay. So all that I unbox are mostly a good deal sale. So I will also give you a discount in my Mercari. I don't sell full price. So yeah, and ta-da! A hobo. La la la. So this is a hobo shoulder bag. This is very soft leather, and okay, hang on. Let me show you the closer look of the design of this very soft leather. This is really pretty, and this I will show you some tricks. So this one, you can tie it to adjust with the length. This is crossbody bag, so, or you can do it by bag like this, or you can use it as a clutch. So this is one of the company that I've discovered for their very soft and finest leather is this Hobo. There is so pretty and durable, and inside is made of a cloth, and we get some card slots here, and also a zipper pocket inside. So this is pretty good as your daily wear. Alrighty. Okay, we're done with that one, and let's go with this box. Oops. I feel like I'm starting back again to start doing videos. It's been a while. So this is also from Dillard's, of course. And look, I don't know what I was thinking, but when these went on sale, I bought all the same one. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's start with this. Oh, they are expensive. So this is again, this is a Hobo brand. Hobo is known for their really fine, beautiful leather. Okay. And this is the wallet. Look, so it's a magnetic wallet. It can fold into 3 fold, and you can wear it like this as a clutch or something. Maybe I think about it for myself. And This one I don't know how to open. Okay, so to open it like this. So this is for your coins. You can put it in here and close, and I give you a closer look. It's very pretty. And guess what? Oh my god, just hang on. They have a mirror. Let me see. Isn't it cool? Oh my god. The mirror makes me pretty. I did not really expect this kind, and this is very soft. And again, you can see this in my Mercari. I'm gonna list it today. This, and then this one. So I got two of the same kind. Of course, it's not that open. It's the same, so I don't need to open it. So you don't waste your time watching this video, okay guys? And the other one is a clutch. So a Hobo Clutch is very pretty. Look at this one, and look at that. They have really unique design. I have one of these that are in blue. They call it cracked glass, and this is like $108, but the other one is $158. So that's the inside. Of course, I'm not selling this for 108, so probably this will only range $79. I sell it, and if you cannot find it anywhere, you can click in my Mercari down below. You can find this on sale in my Mercari. So I got a good deals, and you will have a good deals too, because this one don't go on sale pretty much. I don't see them really go down below $100. Oh, I got 3 of these. And okay, let me see. And last but not the least, oh my god, I am so excited because this design is pretty unique, and the thing I love about it is, aside from the, oh my god, look at that, it's very cute dust bag. It says Hobo. There you go. In case you're not familiar with Hobo, they are very, very soft leather. And look, look at this. This is a shoulder bag. So this one can be adjusted into longer or shorter, and this can also be removed. And they have pocket inside and a magnetic closure for this, and also inside you can see a pocket inside. Can you see it? Okay. Pocket with zipper, and also a pocket, double pocket without a zipper. So this one also can be worn like a clutch, like this one, like this, can be worn like this. You can remove this one. So the hardware of this one is really, really durable, as you can see. There it is. And I seldom see this in the online nowadays, because when they went on sale, that's it. I only got one. And then this is the pocket, deep enough for the cell phone. So yeah, and this is quite a bit expensive. Let me show you the price. Okay, hello, where are you? The price, original price, is at $238. Can you imagine that? So $238. Of course, I'm just gonna sell this for 140 plus or something like that. So even you buy this from me, and if you cannot find it anywhere, you can buy this for me as a good deal. Of course, a certain percentage. I don't sell full price except for beauty product, probably. I'm not so sure, but yeah, this one is pretty nice. And you can remove this, and this is really cute. I love it. Like, this is my clutch. All right. Okay. If okay, like I said, I have Mercari. I sell my stuff in Mercari, and most of my unboxing, I also sell them in my Mercari. So go check in my Mercari and don't be shy to make an offer. I also do bundles. So when you buy one or two, I can give you more discounts. Yes. And it's not only me that can have a good deals, and so are you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. I will see you next time. Bye.